Hey, good morning, everyone. Ronan is here. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're gonna build this Lego City popcorn cart. We're doing this just as an early morning video before I have to go to work. Ronan came and spent the night with me. Mommy spent the night with Kieran. So, Ronan, are you ready to get started? Okay. Do you want to open it or do you need some help?
And this is 43 pieces.
How many?
43 pieces.
And what ages?
5 and plus.
Five and above, yep. Okay.
Ooh. It's like there's like 17 pieces that would not like to come out in the instructions.
I'll get them out. Oh, it's a wheel. These instructions are kind of hard to... So there are how many steps?
Oh, 13 steps.
13 steps, all right. Well, let's get to building. So I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna put the pieces over here, and you can build right there.
Oh, wait, so I have to flip over the instructions. Oh, first we have to build the little guy.
The little minifigure?
Because I can see it right there.
Those are pretty easy to put together, aren't they?
Because they only have 4 pieces on their body. And you can decorate them with more pieces. But mostly they're made free. But to decorate their little head when you need...
Okay, build right here, buddy.
Oh, minifigure, let's put it on the side.
Okay.
Oh, I think to start this way. Oh.
So what is it? 2 by
2 by 3.
2 by 3 on top of a 2 by
4. 2 by 4.
2 by 4. Those are called plates. 2 by 3 plate on top of a 2 by 4 plate. Okay. What do you think those are for?
To like, I don't know, but how I know some of those Legos are like that is because I watched Legos on like G-Stuffer's the Lego videos, and I also like Legos because I'm autism. It's mostly the reason. We're still alive, so I'm glad because I can make more videos and maybe give the thumbs up.
Why, you want people to give you a thumbs up?
I mean, no.
Yeah, you like people to give you a like.
I mean, I've not even gave just for a like on my iPad. I don't even know. I don't even give him a thumbs down ever. Because I like his videos. So I'm glad you found out a way to like put thumbs ups. Oh, the popcorn cart is pretty many pieces. After all, for 43. Oh no, it just fell into my lap.
You like to hum while you work, don't you?
It's kind of nice listening to songs and stuff because I like them lots. As I'm doing it in my head. Oh, this is gonna pop out the popcorn, I think. So Megan is. Oh, step 7. We need to put it right here.
You're going fast today, buddy. I like it. Doing a really good job.
This video only may take like 3 or 4 minutes.
We're already at 5 minutes.
Oh.
It's okay. You're doing great. All right, so flip it over, I guess.
Yeah, I'm getting close to the 13th step. And I only have a few more pieces on the... Ooh, this is printed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's printed, not a sticker.
Mm-hmm. If it was a sticker,
We like it.
I need to take it off.
We like it when it's printed.
J4 mostly likes it when it's printed, so he just does not put stickers. But I do, to make it more decorated.
Sure.
But it's gonna have to be hard to take off. But only on one of his sets he did put stickers.
The records?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was SpongeBob.
Mm-hmm. He wanted to keep it because, I think because he does not need, he needs that for like a record only. So
Right,
like,
not for any other custom build.
yeah, so like, oh cool, we can open the window.
Yeah, I think you might want to put the window in before you put the piece on.
Let me turn this around. Oh, wait a minute.
No, you've got it. Here, do you want to put the... Let me put the windows together. Unless you want to do it.
You just have to push them into the glass.
Okay, I'll let you do it. Good job.
I did one of them.
You can do the other one too. It's your build, not mine.
Oh wait, I'm about to get it in. I can't. Oh, there.
Good job.
Simple now. The popcorn is kind of getting simple. Now I can push out the popcorn.
Yeah, so it's supposed to make the popcorn pop, right?
I know, but don't put it in the people's eyes.
No.
Yes, this is. Like. Oh yeah, step 11.
Yeah,
We
you're
got
already
to
almost
the-
done. It's so fast.
And then after step 12,
We put in the popcorn.
we put in the wheels, and then step 13, we put in the popcorn, and we can push, like launch it out.
Yeah, we might want to keep that away from your brother. He likes to put things in his mouth.
Yeah, because these are small pieces. I'm gonna put the popcorn right here.
Okay.
And we're getting close to the end. Looks like we could put a figure beside it.
Okay.
So it could be like, right.
Like he's working the popcorn cart. Let me get the popcorn.
Oh yeah, I can make the
You
wheels
do the
now.
wheels.
Dun, dun.
Looks like we're gonna have 2 extra pieces.
Yeah. There, this would be where the man could hold it,
That's right.
which is right near this popcorn.
Okay.
And then now we need to
Here are the
put all
popcorn
these
pieces.
pieces. That is a real popcorn. It's not even coming out.
That's really cool.
I'm gonna support.
Let's see if we can get him to hold it. Let's see, you have to turn his hand. Ugh. And then he can put his hand. Ooh.
Wait, I can do it.
Okay.
Dun, dun, dun.
Just want to hold it on the side if you want. I don't know if you can hold both pieces. I don't think his arms are long enough. There you go. Now it'll stand up. See?
I'll try to like do it on both. Ooh! I can see it. Just landed on the floor.
That's okay. You gonna turn his hand back around? So
There.
here's the finished popcorn cart. Ooh.
And I can put. Oh wait.
Yeah, I don't think his arms are wide enough. So it's okay. Just have him hold one, and that way it won't fall down. See? There you go.
Oh yeah, it does not even fall down.
And now he stands it up. So, here's the finished popcorn cart. Sorry, I'm not good at the perspective that we're on. It rolls, and it pops popcorn. Pop, pop, pop.
Only by this little black button.
Here.
See a little thing?
Very cool. All right, Ronan, what do you say when you're done building? What do you tell them? Thanks for
Thanks for watching.
Thanks everybody. Hope you have a good day.